DS3 Trickle Scope Interface Operation Explanation Video. Real-time preview. No need to create views. Photos are not saved. A simple view can quickly detect the base health status of the scalp for new or existing customers. You can choose props with different magnifications for detection based on actual scalp issues. Key shooting points. After assembling the props with corresponding multiples, open your hair and expose the location of the scalp to be tested. Select the silver part to adjust the focal length and adjust it according to the requirements of different magnification focal lengths until the picture is clear. Then you can start shooting. Pay attention to the adjustment of focal length. Follow the instruction on the front position of the instrument. Adjust the 10x focal length to the leftmost critical point, 50x and 100x from left to right. Adjust the magnification according to the requirements to a clear state for shooting. Adjust the 200x focal length to the rightmost critical point. Follow the instruction on the front position of the instrument. Adjust the 10x focal length to the leftmost critical point. If the image is clear without exposure, lightly touch the photo button. After shooting, place the 10x props back on the base and replace it with 50x prop. Switch to 50x on the software interface for shooting. From left to right, adjust the clear state according to the magnification requirement, and then lightly touch the photo button. 15x, 100x, and 200x are tri-spectrum images, and the photography between each spectrum needs to be done by pressing the photograph button. Replace the 100x prop and switch the software interface to 100x for shooting. Adjust the magnification from left to right until the image is clear, then lightly touch the photo button. Due to the different position of the scalp being photographed, the brightness of images in different parts may vary. You can select the brightness bar on the software interface to adjust brightness. When the image shooting is unclear or not standardized, you can select the corresponding images and click to retake it. Replace the 200x prop and switch the software interface to the 200x for shooting. Adjust the 200x focal length to the rightmost critical point. If the image is clear, lightly touch the photo button. After shooting, you can click the comparison button to enter the case library to analyze scalp problems. Health detection. New members establish previews. Enter the member's name, gender, age, phone number, and click Save. Enter the photo taking interface and select the photo taking mode according to your needs. Hair loss. Detect the number of hair follicles, hair quantity, and thickness in the hair loss area using 10x. Taking photos of multiple micro areas, top of head, forehead, left, back, right. AI algorithm quantifies local hair loss situation. After assembling the 10x prop, lift the hair of the area to be detected and select the silver part to adjust the focus to the left critical point. Touch the photo button to take a photo. The multi-image mode operation is the same as above, but requires shooting for hair loss areas. Hair loss areas at the top of head, forehead, left, back, right. After the shooting is completed, click Submit and AI algorithm intelligent analysis will begin. After the analysis is completed, it will automatically jump to the report interface. Hair original image. Double-click or sweep with 2 fingers to view enlarged high-definition images. There is a toolbar on the right side, which can be selected for fixed point image analysis. Hair analysis. Grade of hair loss in the top of head, forehead, left, back, right. Normal, initial, median, final. The red marker box, indicating the number of individual hair follicles, displays the result value in the number of hair follicles on the right side. Yellow marker box, marking the number of double hair follicles. Light green marker box, marked with the number of 3 hair follicles. Blue marker box, marking the number of 4 hair follicles. Manual annotation function. Use the marker box to select the specific hair follicles for annotation. You can label individual hair follicles or multiple hair follicles as needed. The right side displays the number of hair diameter, number of hair follicles, as well as testing opinions and recommended product treatments. The inspection opinions can be modified by clicking. Hair loss report displays the comprehensive data of 5 photographed areas in a bar chart format. At the same time, different detection area images can be selected to view the detection data of each area through different chart formats, which is visually more intuitive. You can also scan the QR code on your phone to view the report. Comparative analysis. Hair loss care by comparing image is used to compare hair loss before and after the hair loss treatment course. You can choose a time and use the toolbar to compare at a fixed point. Brush, line, arrow, rectangle, circle. By comparing quantitative data for hair loss care, the quantitative value of hair and hair follicles can be compared. A positive number is a green upward arrow, indicating an increase in hair quantity after care. You can choose a time to compare before and after. Chart comparison. It can compare the hair loss levels, quantify areas, and hair quantity trends of different parts over multiple time periods. Macro comparison. Macro image of multiple parts can be compared over multiple time periods to visually observe hair growth. Customer profile. Registered customer can search for membership information by phone and name. Registered customer will undergo subscreen testing from their customer profile. Select the customer and click on the left status bars to view hair loss care and scalp detection records. You can also directly click the test button to enter the testing. Scalp detection. Use different props to check for damage to the scalp and hair follicles. The shooting method is the same as hair loss care, but it needs to be changed to the corresponding magnification prop. 50x. Check the condition of the straightened cornea through RGB white light. PL negative polarization to check scalp sensitivity. UV light to check porphyrin content. 100x. Viewing scalp skin texture through RGB white light. PL negative polarization viewing inflammatory scalp. UV light viewing traumatic scalp. 200x. View hair follicle condition through RGB white light. PL negative polarization to check scalp red blood streaks. If the image is blurry, you can click to retake it. After the shooting is completed, click Submit. AI algorithm intelligent analysis is on the way. After analysis is completed, it will automatically jump to the report interface. If only one magnification was taken, you can click on the camera logo at other magnification position to make up for it. Original scalp image. Double-click or sweep with 2 fingers to view enlarged high-definition images. There is a toolbar on the right column, which allows you to select and perform fixed-point image analysis. Scalp analysis. For scalp care, from surface spectrum to deep spectrum. Analyze from 12 indicators. Use 3 different magnification lens. 50x, 100x, 200x. Based on the latest artificial intelligence algorithm model, medical-grade quantitative indicators are digitized using deep learning algorithm and AI algorithm to quantify the severity of scalp surface and deep oil, sensitive, and porphyrin, and obtain quantitative analysis results. Oil layers. The yellow area represents the quantitative area of sebum secretion. The darker the yellow color, the more oil secretion, and the lighter the color, the less oil secretion. The proportion area of oil in the upper left corner. Check the box in the upper right corner to cancel and display the original image without the yellow algorithm quantization area. 1 and 2 represent low sebum secretion, 3 represents normal sebum secretion, 4 and 5 represent high sebum secretion. By comparing case libraries, problems such as scalp straightened cornea, scalp skin texture, sensitivity, and hair follicles can be located and displayed in a more intuitive way through images. Skin tone. White light detects scalp skin color, analyze the type of scalp, and different colors represent different problems. Dandruff. Through negative polarized light analysis, the coverage area and the distribution density of dandruff can be accurately determined. For different types of dandruff, more targeted treatment recommendation and care plans can be provided in the future. Porphyrin. Observing sebaceous gland oil secretion, and bacterial proliferation through UV light. Texture. Use white light spectrum to observe the aging of the scalp, the rawness and the smoothness of the scalp, the reflection of scalp nutrition and collagen loss, as well as the reflection and loss of elasticity of the scalp. Sensitivity. Using polarized spectroscopy, observe the location of skin redness caused by damage to subepidermal microvasculature, such as scalp redness and capillary dilation. Each indicator has testing opinions, precautions, and recommended product treatment courses. The copy can be modified or adjusted by double-clicking. In the backend settings of the homepage, products and care items divided into hair loss care and scalp detection can be entered. 100x RGB scalp skin type. View scalp skin type through RGB white light. Analyze the types of the scalp skin type by comparing case libraries. 100x PL inflammatory scalp by using cross polarized light. observe scalp inflammation, acne, and red spot caused by imbalanced microbiota and excessive fungal growth in the scalp. Analyze the types of scalp inflammation by comparing case libraries. 100x UV traumatic scalp. Analyze the type of scalp injury by comparing case libraries. 200x RGB hair follicle. Detect the condition and hair quality of a single hair follicle opening targeting the core issues of the scalp. Analyze the types of hair follicles by comparing case libraries. 200x BL telangiectasis. Analyze the type of scalp sensitivity by comparing case libraries.
Analysis report 3-spectrum scale raw image with different magnifications. Comprehensive analysis chart of viewers' scalp detection indicators. Diagnostic opinions. You can scan the QR code on your phone to view the report, and social media applications are also available. Comparative analysis. By comparing the image before and after scalp care, as well as after treatment, you can select a time to view the change in the image after care. Gray hair detection. Use a 50x probes to check the condition of gray hair. The shooting mode is the same as the hair loss care, and it requires switching the 50x probe. Gray hair original image. You can view the enlarged high-definition image, and there is a toolbar on the right column for you to select and analyze the fixed point view. Gray hair analysis. You can switch to view the spectrum chart, and the gray hair levels of the top, front, left, right, back parts are divided into 5 levels, with higher levels indicating a larger gray hair area. On the right side, gray hair grays, testing opinions, precautions, and recommended product treatment scores are displayed. The opinions can be modified by clicking on it. Gray hair report. Original image of gray hair in different parts. Comprehensive analysis charts of quantitative gray hair detection in various parts. Diagnostic opinions. You can scan the QR code on your phone to view the report and use social media to access it. Comparative analysis. Microscopic image comparison used for comparing before and after gray hair treatments. You can choose different time periods to view. Macro image comparison. Macro image of multiple parts can be compared over multiple time periods to visually view the condition of gray to black hair. Account settings. Product management. There is a product search bar in the upper left corner. Enter the product name to search for the product. Click on the Add Product button in the upper right corner and enter the product information in sequence. It is recommended to use the computer to open the backend website for uploading product image or adding product information in the Android version. If using an Android tablet to import products, you can use a USB drive to import product image into the tablet's gallery. Open Google Chrome on your computer and enter the register account password for the Trigger Scope software to log in. Similarly, find the product management. Click on Add, enter product name, price, currency, upload product image, mood selection, hair loss care, scalp detection, or gray hair detection, function type, level, hair loss care, normal, middle, moderate, severe, scalp detection, or gray hair detection, primary care, intermediate care, advanced care, status, click to enable, enter product introduction or note information, click Save, case management, case library, personalized case picture upload. In addition to the case pictures provided by the application, users can upload different case pictures for the comparison according to their own needs. Suggest in the background, the operation is more convenient and efficient. Click to the hair case, find the corresponding case customers, click Export, and you can download the original hair shoot comparison file with the one click. After decompression, click on the standard image. Click on the plus sign for the corresponding multiple and the spectrum. Edit the case image name and add the image. Treatment cases can be imported in micro upload and added to the treatment cases, hair loss cases, gray hair cases. Macro upload images of hair loss and gray hair after each customer's profile. After selecting the mode to upload, you can directly take photos with your phone or upload them from a photo gallery by scanning the QR code on your phone. The macro image of 5 parts will be automatically uploaded after submission. After multiple treatments and uploading macroscopic image, treatment cases can be created. Click on the case on the right, enter it into the database, and view it in the macroscopic comparison section of the treatment case or report. Account settings. Currently logged in as a main account. The main account can add sub-accounts. The main account can view the data of sub-accounts, and the information set by the main account can be shared with sub-accounts. There is no account settings button for the sub-accounts. How to add a sub-account? Click on Add, filling the prompts in the order. Institution name, person in charge, mobile phone number, login ID, login password, status, click Enable, add note information, click Save Now. The following are the present sub-accounts. Change password. You can change your account password by following the prompts in sequence. Recycle bin. Accidentally delete customers' files can be retrieved in the recycle bin. Check for updates. Click on Check for updates. Click on Update Now. Click on Install.